Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the 1966 Ford Thunderbird AMT Ertl kit, skill level 2. This is kit number 8210 and it came out in 1996. Wow. What is that, 28 years ago? Oh my gosh. I've had this thing ever since. Took shrink wrap off years ago. Let's see, some of the options they give you here is a highly detailed 1966 Ford Thunderbird. Optional removable hardtop. Very nice job whoever built this model. Very nice. Deluxe wheel covers. Detailed interior. And then some info on the actual car. Model kit specifications, okay. There you go. This one apparently comes with the GT390. Front 90-degree overhead V8. Oh, front engined rear-wheel drive. I skipped the line there. Okay. Let's see. Dual 4-barrel. Nice. Holly carbs. Very cool. 15-inch stamped steel with deluxe 5-spoke wheel covers. Removable hardtop, rear wheel skirts, 90 parts, full color decals, paint and cement not included. Okay, a little bit of info in there. This one was made in Mexico. That's interesting. And this is a AMT Ertl kit. I didn't know they were farming stuff out back then like that. Okay, well, we'll set the box up right there for you. And first thing out of the box is a bag of gray parts. Is there a body in there somewhere? Yep, there it is. Okay. Let's see here. Alright, and we have beautiful looking body. Very nice. Very nice. Almost reminds me of a Batmobile. This 1966 version, of course. Very nice. Oh, 66 also. That's funny. Alright. Very nice. Here's the hood and tail light section and 3 of the wheels. The hood's got minimal detail, but I mean you could paint it up different and it'd look nice. Here's the wheel fender skirts. Yep, they fit in there nice. This one looks like it's been bent a little. That's funny. Might just be the reflection. Alright, here is the chassis with mufflers and that all molded in. Axles molded in, the drive shaft. So not a whole lot to do on the bottom except paint it if you'd like. A little bit of flash in there. Interior, which they said was highly detailed, wasn't it? I guess if you wanted to pick out each individual line in there with some paint and a toothpick, you'd drive yourself crazy, but you could do that if you wanted. And it looks like that right there. I don't know if you can see it real clear. That looks like that might be a speaker, just like the Impalas. That's a pretty neat feature that I didn't even know Thunderbirds had. Although, in the box, for the convertible, it shows that there's just something covering it up. But I'm not positive, but boy, that sure looks like a speaker to me. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments. Here we have the hood, which has got like a vinyl hardtop look to it, which is really nice. Basically nothing on the bottom. So they went all out on this end and spared you the trouble on that end. Alright. We have the front. Yeah, I guess that's the stock version, eh? Maybe there's chrome that goes in there, I'm not sure. Let's see, whatever these are. Maybe these are... I can't tell if those go along the body line here, because the model itself has them already. I'll look those up in the instructions. Here's wheel number 4, so that's good. They included all 4 of the wheels in this kit. 2 little, looks like hinges, maybe for the hood. Here's a rear roll pan, a valance, whatever you want to call it. Here we have the firewall with minimal detail. Engine halves. This would be the 390 with the transmissions attached. Nice little detail on that. Fan belt and pulley system. This is all very reminiscent of the 65 Continental I just did recently. Here's the top of the engine. Battery. Tiny little fan again. Even smaller radiator, which is really tiny. And I don't know what these are. We'll have to look those up. Part number... Oh, those are the exhaust manifolds from the angle that I had them on. They didn't look like anything. Alright, and another roll bar. Tape deck. Radiator overflow thing for the top of the engine. Air cleaner. And it looks like a little fancy little license plate. Almost looks like the Cadillac emblem on there. But I'm sure it's not. And then a couple of rings here. I'm not sure what those are for. Maybe for the wheels. And intake manifold. Nope. That's the radiator thing. I didn't see an the intake is molded in with the heads. Okay. And we have a hood. Didn't I just do a hood? Thought I seen a hood. Yeah. We get 2 hoods with this one, guys. I don't know. One has the point and the other one has like the whatever that's called. So 2 different hoods. I imagine trim package option, one or the other. This one has some kind of weird triangle thing in there. But there are 2 hoods included. That's cool. Thought I was losing my mind there for a second. There's the dashboard. Kind of nice looking. Steering wheel. And this might be a seat belt. I'm not sure on that. Part 42. I have to try to remember to look that one up. And here's your abundance of seats. Boy, almost looks like a movie theater. There's so many seats there. So you get 2, 4, 6 seats. Nope. 4 seat options. So you get bucket seats all the way in the front and the back apparently. But the back seat had molded in seats. So what's the deal here? We get different seat options. There's 2 of these, and 2 of these, and 2 of these. So you get 3 different versions of seats. So that's kind of nice. I don't know that I needed that many, but it's nice to know they were included in there. Alright. And we have the glass, which is really nice condition for sitting in this box for whatever many years it was. And this would be the rear glass, I guess, if you did the hardtop. And then 2 little lights there. I'm not sure if they're covers for the headlights or if they are, excuse me, running lights. I'll set that there. Boy, we got a ton of tires in here. Alright, we have, nice, we have 2 sets of tires. These here are obviously wider and a little bit smaller in diameter than the stock tire. And these are Goodyears, nice and bold lettering there, you can see that. These are really sharp, man. And then we have regular standard tires with the less than desirable tread on them. And these are Firestone. That's cool. For clear light, we have just one big giant piece of red. For the tail light, I mean. Obviously something's going to go over there and that'll be your tail lights. Here's some decals. In style, Thunder. These are Virginia plates, Ohio, Virginia 66 Bird, and Ohio again. So we get 2 different states for plates and 4 different options. Yep. Very cool. and the AMT Ertl blueprinter card. And two metal, whoops, almost dropped it. Two metal axles, just rolling around in the bottom there. We'll leave those there. And for chrome, let me go ahead and cut this open real fast. For chrome, we have the tail light section, yep, back of the car there. Front grille parts, some decent wheels again, some other hubcap options, the stock grille work right there, some fine little bits, chrome stick shift, some springs, light headlight things, front and backs of them. Little Thunderbird emblem there. I think that goes across the trunk. Some valve covers. Little tachometer that would go through your steering column, goes through that. Some trim for the bumper, I guess. Pretty cool. Alright, well, let's get into the instructions and see if I can remember those parts that I didn't recognize what they were. Oh, excellent. We have a nice write-up on the actual car, introduced in 55, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's really nice. I always like that. And the instructions, that's a big one. I'll go ahead and do this again, guys. I'll try to move slower. I don't want to get anybody dizzy. Here's the stock and custom sub-assembly for the engine. Then your stock engine, your custom engine, a couple of dual quads, that's cool. Oh, Landau bars were one of them parts. Those are cool. There's some different wheel versions you can do. Chassis pretty basic. Stock assembly shown. Use top holes for the custom version, which would lower the vehicle. Yep, that one item was a seat belt. That's cool. There's your shifter and plated parts. Putting your glass in your interior end. It says, carefully remove engraving before painting if you want to use the, I guess they're talking about the license plate. And we have, there we go. We have your final assembly with your fender skirts, your tail light, and all that. Okay, that Thunderbird emblem is what goes in the little hole there on the red tail piece. That's cool. Here we have assembled hood, hood trim. Okay, very cool. Fender ornaments, nice. License plate, rear bumper, and that's it. No mention of a roll bar again, but it was included. Cool. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the 1966 AMT Ertl Ford Thunderbird that I've had for many years, and I hope you enjoy it. Have yourselves a great day. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. Let them know about the channel. I'm trying to grow this into a wonderful channel. I want to wish you all a great day, and keep on modeling.